Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Whether you're new to Tradingview or you've been using it for a while, today I'll show you a tool that will take your chart markups to the next level: anchored text. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to add and customize anchored text in Tradingview, making your analysis clear, notes professional, and ideas easier to remember and share. Let's dive right in. First, head over to your drawing panel in Tradingview. If you're not familiar, the drawing panel is usually found along the left-hand side of your chart window. It's where you'll see all your drawing tools like trend lines, shapes, and more. Look for the icon that looks like a little T, that's the text tool. Don't worry if you haven't used it before, it's really straightforward. Once you click on the text tool, you'll see an option that says anchored text. It's a special type of text label that actually sticks to a specific point on your chart, almost like pinning a sticky note directly onto your analysis. This is different from regular text, which just floats wherever you drop it. Anchored text is super helpful if you want your notes to move perfectly in line with a price bar or important spot. Even if you scroll or zoom your chart, the text stays exactly where you placed it. Now go ahead and select anchored text, then simply click anywhere on your chart where you want to drop your label. For example, you might want to add a note near a breakout level, mark a support zone, or just remind yourself of an exit strategy right on your price chart. This part might take a few moments as you decide the best spot, so take your time. Think of it like putting a pin on a map. Once you've clicked to place your anchored text, a text box will pop up. This is where you type in whatever you want. Maybe it's watch for breakout, double bottom here, or even a quick reminder like earnings this week. Keep it short and clear so it's easy to read at a glance. Now here comes the fun part, the customization panel. Tradingview lets you tweak your anchored text to suit your style and make your notes really stand out. You can adjust the size to make the text big and bold if it's something important, or keep it small for subtle notes. Changing the text color can help you stay organized. Maybe you use red for cautions, green for confirmations, or any shade that stands out against your chart background. You can also add a background color, which is kind of like highlighting your note with a marker, making it pop out when there's a lot going on in your chart. Try playing around with the border settings too. Adding a border gives your note a little more definition, almost like putting a frame around a sticky note. If your message is longer and you don't want it spilling off the edge, enable text wrap. This makes sure the words neatly fit inside the anchored text bubble, no matter how much you write. That way your notes always look tidy and professional, and that's really all there is to it. Anchored text is a simple, powerful way to keep your analysis organized and your ideas right where you can see them. Give it a try next time you're mapping out a trade or reviewing a strategy. You'll notice a difference in how clear and actionable your charts feel. If you found this tutorial helpful, give it a thumbs up and let me know in the comments if you have any questions or want to see more Tradingview tips. Of course, don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more practical tutorials just like this one. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.